Let's visit Princess Islands. We are in Taksim Square, my friends. It's 9:20. We are planning to visit Princess Islands with my daughter. She's filming right now. We're gonna take a funicular, a small ride to Kabataş, and then take the ferry at 10:05. It's a beautiful morning, calm. I see some tourists coming to visit Taksim Square along the street. We are enjoying our simit. We're gonna have our sandwiches in the ferry. Let's begin. Ay güzelmiş. Sana böyle şeyler. Neyi? You can get cards from here, but we already have, so we're not gonna get. Within seconds, everyone takes their place.
Börekler. Ne vereyim abla? Evet, simitlerden. Teşekkürler. Nasıl? Simitlerden. Hadi buradan başla.
Benim çok güzel çıktı. Bayağı alsana. So we are in Heybeliada right now. We passed the first to the Kınalıada and Burgazada. We wanted to first stop here and then the Büyükada, the biggest one. And if we will have time, we will also visit them. Let's see. Çantası var ya. Ne kadar güzelsin sen. Kürüzü halka sayman lazım.
Zeytinde aynı halka olayı var mı? This olive tree is about 230 years old. 11 meter high. Beautiful.
We are going to visit since they are outside. I just get one. My daughter wanted. It's not in someone's garden. It's different. Thick skin. Smells beautiful. I think it's wild. I don't know if you can eat.
Çok güzel.
Yenirim bilmiyorum. Maybe we should ask someone from local if we can eat or not. I don't know.
Çaylarına koyup aromasından faydalanabilirsiniz.
Tarih anlatırken çekebilir misin? Değil yani Bulgaristan, İstanbul.
Ben de şu yeşil köşkte oturuyorum.
The lady I met, she says she lives here probably, and she said you can take from these to make marmalade. It's not mandarin, it's turunç we call in Turkish.
Adalardan mandalina topladık.
It's full everywhere. I hope we can collect them to make at home. Now we are trying to visit the theological school. Looks like while enjoying the view, we missed the road, walking to the other side. So we're not gonna be able to visit because it closes at 12:30. We're gonna visit the other parts. You can rent bicycle here. For a day it's 150 Turkish liras, or for an hour it's 50 Turkish liras.
Hayır, sandalye oturanlar.
Our visit was nice. We spent about 2.5 hours here. If you want to make a quick visit to visit all stops, you can use small transportation. You can rent like a taxi and visit all of them. We couldn't see the theological high school because we were out of our way, but it's okay. It was nice to walk around the streets and collect some turunç. In 1:30, about 8 minutes, we will take the ferry coming from Kabataş. We will go to the Büyükada, the biggest island of the Princess Islands. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. Niye dolu ya bu kadar?
Yok pardon.
Ha?
Oralar ne oluyor?
İzlesin. Buradan değil tabii, şurası açıldı. Fena gibi. Tam yerinde.
Devam ediyoruz.
Burada çok önemli. Burgazada'ya gidelim ve bir...
It's crowded. İşte adalılar, onlar kaçıyor. I just heard that one lady was talking on the phone. The weather is beautiful, so people are coming to visit the Princess Island. That's why I'm leaving the island. bought some things, bulgur bowls, wrap, and now we are heading to up again. My daughter wants to visit an interesting place. It was crowded the center. Now it's getting calmer, but we are going high up. I don't know how long I can take it. We'll see.
Yoksa vampir gelecek diye korkuturlardı diye yazılar var. Bu dedim ki hani bu Büyükada'da neler oluyor? Çünkü Büyükada'yı araştırdığınız zaman.
So we had our lunch and then prayed at the mosque. Now we are heading to Prinkibo Greek Orthodox Orphanage. It is not in use now and it has some interesting stories. Let's see. She wanted to take a look and I'm following. We're gonna walk for about 20 minutes up. Okay, after about 20-25 minutes of walk up, we are here. I thought it's gonna be nobody, but there are lots of people here, which is I think better for now, for us. Okay, get ready for the scene. I'm gonna show you now.
Işık olan da şu. Neredeydi? Şu camı açık hafif olan var ya.
So this is the Greek orphanage on one of the hills of the Princess Islands, Büyükada. It has mysteries, stories. If you want, you can read more. I don't know much about it, but it's interesting and it's the biggest wooden building in Europe and the second throughout the world. We walked through the whole building. It is very huge. I read about the history. I'm gonna write down to the description if you want to read more. My battery is dying. I don't know how long more I can film. I don't know when we're gonna return. We have a lot time to go back. We'll see.
Sarun Manastırı.
Okay, we are where we begin in Taksim Square again. It's about 9:30. It was a nice day. I thought we would finish all Princess Islands, but it wasn't possible because it takes a lot of time than I thought. So I would recommend first to go to the biggest island, which was the last stop, Büyükada, and then maybe the Heybeliada. Enjoy the inner streets, inner part of the top hills. If you want to just eat in a restaurant or pack your food, whatever you want, and then begin to walk, or you can rent a taxi, but it was really nice to walk. That's it, my friends, for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye.